Hey, what's up guys? Shreddy's Universe here. So as the title suggests, let's get to it. Today we are going to use a cardboard box, a waste one. That's the point of this video, using waste resources and utilizing them into furniture for 1:18 and other scale figures. We are going to cut a part of this box and use it to make a chair. So I'm going to use a ruler to mark a 1/4 of an inch on 4 sides and form a square. Then I'll cut out that square and use that same very cutting to cut 2 more squares. And now we'll form a triangle with this. This will become our base. Let's stick them together using Fevicol. Let's keep it to dry it. Now we are going to make the seat, and instead of a 1/4 inch we are now going to cut out a full inch, or maybe an inch and a half, depending on how you want to make it. Let's cut it. Now this is our seat. Now we are going to stick that seat on that base. There it is. Looks good, aye? This is a drawing copy I bought, a notebook actually. This I'm going to stick around our furniture so that it gets easier to color and highlight instead of having it look bland. Now let's cut it out and stick it. This is how you cut it out and stick it. Now let's remove the extra part and leave some space to have it join. It will be a bit messy if your structure isn't dried up. So there it is. Now we put one on the base. There we go. Now let's let it dry and cut out the extra parts. I'm going to use some, just a couple of colors, black and brown. I'm going to put brown first, then black. I'm gonna add some water on brown. Like, I'd suggest using dry paint, but I'm trying to give it a sun mica effect. So I've added water to that paint, but go for dry if you don't want that effect. This is my personal preference. Okay, so we paint it on all sides at the bottom, but leave out the top. Now we are going to use the black water paint in dry form to color the top so it looks distinct. You don't want a single color furniture. It looks bland and boring. Now we add some highlight and some covering to the sides, and unfortunately while doing it I messed up a bit, so I'm going to fill up the 2 sides. So this is it. This is a finished project. Now this is an action figure and I'll show you how it works. It's a 1:18 scale, that is 3.75 inches figure. Okay, so for table we'll wait for the next video.